So let's open. So it's magic.
Magic.
So knife, 2 Play-Dohs. Looks like yellow to you guys, but looks like orange. Light blue. Little mold thing. There's a truck, smile face, butterfly. This is where you put your Play-Doh.
Guys, I'm sorry if the quality is very bad. I'm using my phone, not a camera, so don't get mad at me. I believe. Okay, what the hell is all this?
It's all Play-Doh.
What is this?
Let's get started.
Crusty toes. Oh,
Look at on the sides. We have Play-Doh molds. Now,
we have Play-Doh molds.
you sing that. Fun. Sing. Do you think we should do some biscotti? Yeah, let's make some biscotti for you guys. Gonna love it. I'm gonna trap cook.
Let me see one of the molds. Which one are you using?
This mold.
Okay, then give me the other one. Okay, so the very first mold you see right here. Not that, over here. Is a star, unfortunately. Then got a leaf. There's a star that I already showed you. And then we have these circle with 2 different halves. So see that with the circle in the middle. So yeah. And whatever, that looks like Batman something. Whatever that is. And last but not least, some zigzags. A square with the zigzags on the side.
And that's some Play-Doh!
There goes some Play-Doh.
Biscotti!
Orange and
Blue.
whatever blue, light blue.
I'm gonna sit on it, guys. Ready for it? It's gonna go faster.
Over here.
We have hair. We have crusty hair.
Sorry if that was bad quality right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cut you off.
No, don't cut me. Oh.
You deadbeat people.
So I hope you.
No, we're not done. Here's hair. You made me biscotti hair.
God damn it.
We are so bad at biscotti.
So guys.
We messed up the biscotti.
Shut up.
You shut up,
Oh, what the fudge?
Give me. Camera, get it in the face. Put it when I put it.
Oh.
Hey.
Oh.
Oh.
That hurt.
Ivan,
What?
it's your turn to do the Play-Doh. Press. So I want you to comment down below. Down describe. Make sure you think this video is great or not. So peace out.
I already did. Okay. So guys, we're not done. Okay, so she said, so like, subscribe, and comment. So, yeah, subscribe, please, and
Finish.
shut up. And you should see my Instagram page. It's IVanAnsik. So yeah, deal with it.
Deal with it.
And
Deal with this Play-Doh on here.
deal with it. Yeah.
We're gonna make this video fresh.
This is not a fresh video, bro. So yeah, I hope you subscribe,
I'll be right back.
comment,
Bye-bye.
and like this video. So yeah, she disappeared. Peace out.